Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I'm in Australia. I've come on here now because I wanted to do a open a parcel on an envelope that I got. Oh dear, what have I done now? I've dropped one. I got in the mail today. So this is from Elaine, and she is Sillyeels here, and in Australia, she's in Australia, and she sent me a parcel in my 5 years on YouTube giveaway. Oh, look at this. Oh wow. Oh, thank you. Oh, let's turn that over there for a minute. Look at this, isn't it good? Oh dear, she does nice cards. Nice bird, isn't it? Nice bird. This is my entry into your 5-year giveaway challenge. Hope you like it. Crafty hugs, Elaine. This is a really nice picture. I love this picture of this little birdie. And this is handcrafted by Eels. Thank you so much, Elaine. This is so nice. I really like that. It's very pretty. As you do know, I do love birdies. Okay, so we have a little note here. Oh no, this is my tomato and leek soup recipe she sent me. Look at that. I don't know, I guess I'm allowed to share it. I don't know, if I put it there you can look at it, because she said that she had a good recipe for that, so I might have to try that. Okay, oh, now I've got the hiccups, I'm sorry. And this is my piece of fabric. Oh boy, she sent me a really neat piece of cross-stitch fabric. Look at that. Oh, look at it, and it shines. Isn't this pretty? Oh, wow. Because you can tell the difference between the right and the wrong side, because this is all shiny, and this is like dull, because you can't see the look at that. I might do a little bit of work on that myself before I put it into the book, eh? That'll be really good. Isn't that nice? Thank you so much, Elaine. I really appreciate that. And my recipe too, you sent me the recipe with it, because you did say you were going to, and that is really good, because my husband grows potatoes and he does grow leeks as well. I suppose that's onions, chunky garlic tubes and potatoes, and then you put your leeks, 2 leeks, and okay, so I'll do that. I'll have a go at that this winter time. Thank you so much, Elaine. I really appreciate you entering in my competition and your lovely card and this beautiful piece of fabric. I'm going to put it back in here so we keep him in nice and clean. There we go. I'll put this leek recipe in there for the time being too, so I can still find that. So thank you everybody for watching, and thank you so much, Elaine, for your entry. Okay, bye-bye.